Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about something that I haven't covered yet, and it's trading in the sessions. There's different sessions in the market throughout the world, and you want to stick to certain sessions. So I'm going to show you what I mean on the computer. All right, so I'm going to open up this picture for you guys. Forex market sessions. All right, so we have here the London session, the New York session, Sydney, Tokyo. And what happens is that there's major markets where all the money is being moved and all the transactions are happening, like in the stock markets, or just just overall in the actual country. And that's when it's most active, all right? And you have periods when the session will interlapse. Like for example, here where I'm pointing out on the computer, between London and New York. And then the ending of New York opens up the Sydney, and then the Sydney will mixes up with the Tokyo. All right, so the reason that I'm bringing this up is that you need to get good at trading at a certain session and within a certain time. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsart.com. We have more courses and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Until next time.